Hi friends. Thank you for watching Darky Salesforce tutorial series. I hope you are enjoying Darky Salesforce series. Via this, I want that every newcomers and professionals learn basics of Salesforce. All your suggestions are most welcome about channel. You can comment your feedbacks on comment box for every video. In previous videos we have learned basics of Salesforce, like app creation, object creation, field creation, etc. Now you can create any type of forms for record entry. Means we have completed first step. Now we have to go forward. I personally suggest you to please watch previous videos, if you haven't watched. This is 8th video of Darky Salesforce tutorial series. In this video we will learn basics of validation rules. Validation rule is a way to stop user, to make unauthorized entries. In other programming languages, we use validations to stop user to enter unauthorized entries. Same way in Salesforce we use validation rules, but way is little bit different. If you have programming background, then you can take advantage from other programming languages. Types of validation rules. 1 is standard validation rule. Second is custom validation. Standard validation rule. Standard validation rules are the rules that are given by Salesforce by default. Salesforce gives only the validation rules that are common in market. Like email should have valid format, like at the rate symbol, dot symbol, etc. When a user enter wrong email address, Salesforce gives error message. For example, see this. Click on Employees tab. Click on New. As you can see, here is a form with 3 fields, name, email, and contact. I already created this form. To save time, you can create your own form and can try this. Let's fill the form. Name equals to Shan. Email equals to ABC at example. Here we are not using .com. And now fill contact. Click on Save. You can see we are getting error on email. This is standard validation rule that we haven't applied, but Salesforce applied by default. If you fill this email value with correct syntax, like with .com, then it will be accepted. Now second is custom validation. Custom validation is used to apply those validation that are not available by default in Salesforce. Or we can say, we can apply custom validation as per our need. Here are the main difference in standard validation and custom validation. Standard validation are default in Salesforce, custom validation we have to design. We cannot customize standard validation rules. We can design our validation rules. We cannot customize the error message. We can customize error message as per our need. Let's see how custom validation are used. Suppose we want that contact should be numeric in our form, that is available in Employees object. Click on Employees. On clicking Employees tab, you will redirect to page, where all employees are listed. See this symbol on right hand side. Click on this. A pop-up window will open, click on View Validation Rules. On clicking, you will redirect to Object Definition page. This is the smart way to open this page. You can open this page from Setup also. Here is a section, called Validation Rules. As we do not have any validation rule as of now, no results are showing. We can add, edit, delete all validation rules from here. Click on New to create new validation rule. Once you click, validation rule form will open. From here we can create our validation rule. Rule name should be very clear, and understandable. Fill rule name as, phone number numeric. As we want this rule should be active, leave this field as checked. Fill description, as I told earlier, for study purpose, I am not filling description, but you should fill description very clear. This is the section where all the validation rules logics are performed. As we want that contact number should be numeric, we have to insert the contact field from here. Click on Insert Field. On clicking Insert Field, you will get this pop-up window. On this pop-up window, see there are two options. These are objects, and these are fields in that object. As our field is in employee's object, and field name is contact. Select this and click on Insert. On clicking Insert, you will see field inserted in the box. Now, if we want to perform any logic from the logical operators, we can insert any logical operator from here. There are also many inbuilt functions that can help us to perform logics. There are several categories of these functions like text, date and time, logical, math and advanced. As we want that the contact should be numeric, see logical categories and there is a function isNumber. You can see the description of these function on selecting particular function. Description will see below the insert selected function. As we have inserted isNumber function, you can see this function require text. We have to put contact field inside this function. It will give us true or false result. We will use now equal to operator and then false. False means, if this function gives us false value, means number is not numeric. After entering complete format, we can check the syntax from here. If any error, it will show error, otherwise nothing will show. Here we can insert the error message that we want to show to user. Like we enter, contact should be numeric. Error location, this field asking, where we want to show the error message. Top of page or below the particular field. We can select anything from here. Here I am selecting only top of page. You can select field option also. That's it. Now go to Employees tab again. On clicking tab, click on New. Our form will open. Fill the values inside this. Name equals Maria. Email equals maria@abc.com. Contact equals anything. Click on Save. See this, now you can see the error message here. This is the one example of custom validation rules. You can perform many rules on a particular field. Like, contact length should be 10. Contact should start with 7, 8, or 9. Anything you like to perform, just make a validation rule. That's it in this video. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. It will help you to get notification for next video. Thanks.